Watch this. Hey Google, show me the kitchen.
All right, streaming kitchen display.
Sorry ladies, he's taken. I'm Jamie, and I'm a video producer at Asurion. I've spent the last year getting married, buying my first home, and combating social isolation with my Nintendo and my sidekick Bella. My next adventure? Making my new home sweet home smart. Follow along as I figure out my new technology, sometimes with a little help from my friends, and maybe if things get really tough, one of our Asurion experts. This is Home Smart Home. Here she is, the new house. We've just moved in a little bit over a month ago and really excited to make this place a smart house. So I started this completely normal thing, no judgment, of collecting smart home devices. It started with this Google Mini speaker. Got it from some promotion, it was free. Thought this might be a good thing to have when I eventually have more than one room. So I got it a friend. Then a coworker of mine got a Google Nest Hub and heard I was adopting little baby Google Homes, so got this guy. And like it because it has a screen. The speakers don't have that, so thought that'd be a nice addition to the collection. So when our wedding came around and we were putting things on our registry, we registered for this guy. This one's super exciting. It has a big screen and a camera and this much bigger speaker, so I'm expecting better sound quality from this guy. We were in between this and the Amazon Echo Show, and they're both really good smart home hubs. Both will let you control smart lights, security cameras, and other connected devices with voice commands. If you're a big online shopper, the Echo is probably the best choice. I went with the Hub Max because the screen can automatically adjust brightness and color, making it a better digital picture frame. And let's be honest, I have like 500 Google devices already, so might as well stay in the family. So let's start with setting this guy up. Let's make this the brains of the operation for the house. I would love to set up lights from the sound of my voice and be able to play music for friends coming over whenever they can do that again. Enough talk, let's get these guys in action. All right, I opened the box and there were 3 things inside. The Nest Hub Max, power adapter, and these instructions, of which there are 2. Connect the power adapter and download the Google Home app. Let's get started. It just went into water.
Hi, to get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Already on to step 2. Downloaded the app, and let's see what it's all about here. Welcome home. It's got a little video, but ain't nobody got time for that. We're gonna go ahead and get started. Editor Jamie here. The next few steps in the app are really easy. I believe in you, you can do it. I'm gonna give you 10 minutes back of your life. Let's skip ahead. We got another tutorial. I think I'm ready to just get my hands in there and figure it out myself. Looks like it's pretty straightforward. Let's go ahead and skip the tour. That is definitely a photo from my photo album, and I see my little face in the corner there, so it looks like it's linked to my account. Let's put it to the test. Hey Google, let's make some lasagna.
Here's some recipes I found.
There's a lot of options and looks like I can tap on them. We'll have to pause on dinner. We got about 3 more to set up of these, so let's move on to the living room. All right, we're in the living room ready to set up the Nest Hub. A little bit smaller than the Nest Hub Max that we put in the kitchen, and this one doesn't have a camera, just says to download the Google Home app, so let's check it out. Let's see if it's just as easy. All right, let's try this one out now. Hey Google, show me pictures of my cat.
Showing your photos of cat.
There she is, watching a video on my phone. Okay, that wasn't so bad. Took less than probably 10 minutes. So we got 2 down, now 2 to go. Moving on to the bedroom to set up our Google Mini. It's so cute and so small and hopefully really easy to set up. Go ahead and plug it in.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
All right. Going into Google Home. We're all set and ready to go.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. It's great to meet you. There are a lot of ways I can help you get things done.
This is going to replace my alarm clock, so let's go ahead and set an alarm. Hey Google, set an alarm for 7 a.m.
Tomorrow at 7 a.m. Set.
We're down 3, got 1 more Google Mini to go. I'm gonna go gadget. I'm gonna get started on that Google Mini in the office, but this house is very quickly becoming a smart house. I just set up 4 Google devices in less than an hour. If someone like me who usually just throws the instructions to the wind can get it up and running pretty quickly, it's really not that hard. Everything lives within the app here. I am going to enjoy these devices for the week, see how much easier they make life, and report back to you guys. So I have lived with my smart speakers for a week now, and I want to tell you it changed my life. But it didn't. But it did make things a lot more convenient. The feature I find myself using the most is the routine feature, and that can be used on any of the smart speakers. I use it most in the kitchen. We created a routine for cooking. So I'll say, let's cook, and Google will bring up my cookbook and start playing music so I can start cooking and follow along with the recipe. Finally, my favorite feature is the built-in security camera on the Nest Hub Max. We have it in a place where we can see a lot of the house, so we have eyes on people coming through, we can see what the cat's doing in the middle of the night. It's awesome to have that peace of mind. And so phase 1 has come to an end, but our journey is just beginning. No cats or drywall were harmed. It was a pretty painless process, so I'm excited to get into phase 2. I'm thinking a video doorbell for phase 2. Thanks for watching the first episode of Home Smart Home. Be sure to like and subscribe and follow along on my journey as I build my own smart home. And hopefully my cat's meowing didn't get in.